This video is continuation of classification of bacterium, fifth classification based on the relationship of host and organism. First one is saprophytes. What is saprophytes? There are free living microbes. It cannot make their own food. In order to survive, they feed on dead or decaying things. Fungi and a few species of bacteria are saprophytes. Next one is commensal. What is commensal? The species that benefit from the association may obtain nutrient, shelter, support or locomotion from the host species which is unaffected. The commensal relation is often between a large host and a smaller commensal. Last one is parasites. Parasite is an organism that lives on or in a host organism and get its food from the expense of its host. Best example of parasites: Protozoa, Entamoeba histolytica. Next, classification based on their nutritional requirement. First one is autotrophs. What is autotrophs? Autotrophic bacteria are those bacteria that can synthesize their own food. They perform several reactions involving light energy and chemicals like carbon dioxide, water, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Second one is Chemoautotrophs. These bacteria which synthesize their own food by using energy obtained from chemical sources such as nitrogen fixing bacteria located in soil, iron oxidizing bacteria located in lava bed, and sulfur oxidizing bacteria located in deep sea thermal vent. These are the bacteria or example of chemoautotrophs: sulfur oxidizing bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria, and iron oxidizing bacteria. Next, heterotrophs. This bacterium cannot synthesize their own food. It is a consumer only. So it obtained from other sources. Next one is Symbiotic Bacterium. How it will get food means from mutual beneficial support with other organism. This bacterium which obtain food by mutual beneficial support with other organism. Example, Rhizobium bacterium in leguminous plant. This one will fix nitrogen in the root by absorbing it from air, while in return take nutrient from the same plant. Another example, Enterobacteria. It is presented in our intestine. Next one is Saprophytic Bacteria. The bacteria get their nutrition by consuming dead and decaying organic material. This one help in cleaning the environment from accumulation of waste. Last one is pathogenic bacteria. These bacteria which grow only in the body of the other animal or plant. They get their nutrient from the host. How they will get nutrient means from this plant or animal only they will get nutrition, but this one induce a disease to them. It take nutrient but it causes disease, so it is a pathogenic bacterium. These are the different types of bacterium classified based on the nutrient. Next, classification based on the environmental factor. First factor is temperature. Example, first one is Saprophytic microorganism. It can grow -20 to 10 degrees Celsius. This one is a cold loving organism. Example, Pseudomonas fluorescens. Second one is mesenophilic organism. It can survive the room temperature range 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Example, Escherichia coli, Salmonella. Third one is thermophilic microorganism. It can survive 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Example, Bacillus stereothermophils. Last one is extreme thermophilic microorganism. It grow high temperature 250 degrees Celsius. Example, Thermococcus. Second environmental factor is oxygen depending. Based on their oxygen requirement, we classified organism in three groups: aerobic, anaerobic, and microaerophytic organism. Aerobic organism means compulsory for their growth and development, they required oxygen. This organism can survive and grow in an oxygenated environment. Example, Nocardia species and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Second one is anaerobic environment. This organism does not require oxygen for their growth and development. Example of anaerobic organism, Fusobacterium and Clostridium. Third category, microaerophilic organism. This organism grow under reduced oxygen, 5 to 10% is enough, but it required high amount of carbon dioxide. Third environmental factor is pH. Bacteria are generally neutrophilic. They grow best at neutral pH close to 7. Acetophilic grow at the pH range near 3. Alkanophilic organism can grow the pH range 8 to 10.5. Acetophilic microorganism example, Lactobacillus acetophilus. Neutrophilic organism example, E. coli. Alkanophilic organism example is Vibrio. So final one, based on the nutritional requirement, temperature first one, second one is oxygen depending, third one is pH. These are the different classification of bacterium. Thanks for watching.